Oh, he's off the mark, he's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Hello everybody, glad to see you again on Straight Draw, Master Jack, again with cricketing expert RK sir. Little bit excited today because going to lead this session as post-match of Rajasthan Royals versus Chennai Super King, Captain Smith versus Captain Cole. Okay, so we have so much to discuss about today, but before we jump into our Rajasthan Royals batting lineup, I would like to discuss some of the things like Jaiswal couldn't play well in his debut match. Apart from that, if we go, I have some question regarding Robin Uthappa that he did not open today for Rajasthan Royals as he's already proven for KKR, very good opener for KKR, also orange cap winner. But if we specially focus on Sanju Samson and Steve Smith partnership, what a 102 run in just 44 balls, okay, and if we move into first 6 overs, well done Rajasthan Royals 54 runs with the loss of only 1 wicket. But when Jadeja came into the 7th over, when Chawla came into the 8th over, Sanju Samson welcome with 2 sixes, welcome to Jadeja, 3 sixes, welcome to Chawla.
Yes, Jack, you arise very nice question. Why Robin Uthappa did not come to open the innings for Rajasthan Royals when he has proved himself during earlier IPL matches?
Yes.
But this year situation is different. Now Rajasthan Royals have Jaiswal, who is lefty and who can pull the ball when fielders are in the circle. Jaiswal has also proven himself.
Correct.
And it is a boon to have lefty as an opener. Left hand, right hand combination is always useful as far as opening is concerned.
Right.
So, and it will be interesting to see a competition, a healthy competition between Pedicle and Jaiswal. Both are left-handed, both are talented, both are young. Difference is that in debut, Devdutt Padikkal proved himself, but today, unfortunately, he has started well. Jaiswal has started well, but when he tried to lift the ball, bat took upper edge and went up.
Right.
So that ended his inning. Everyone knows that Jaiswal has great talent, great potential. He can place shots all around the ground. He can pull the ball, particularly in power play.
Right.
He is very humble guy too. Jack, you might have
Yes,
noticed.
we have seen before the match, he folded his hand like this to MS Dhoni and showing respect.
Yes. So such kind of culture must be developed in Indian cricket.
Correct.
And you see, such guys would carry on such a way. And Jack, you have also said that there was a very nice partnership between Smith and Samson.
Yes.
Today, Sanju was superb.
Correct.
He was just like superb Samson.
Yes, mates.
And it was looking like that whatever he was hitting was going for the 6.
Yes, it's kind of like a replay.
Yes, and if you notice his physics, his body language, he has made good use of these 5 months when no players were playing no match.
Correct.
He has trained himself in the way Kohli does. He has taken full care for his diet and exercises. Yes. And you can see the result. How power could he generate?
Yes. I would like to introduce one more special moment, the last over of Rajasthan Royals. Jofra Archer hit 4 sixes in last overs and got 30 runs. And 2 no balls by Angiri. What do you think about that?
You see, there is a crime, though he is a spinner or a faster, to throw a no ball.
Yes.
To ball no ball, it is a simply crime. When there is a fielding coach, cricketers are professional. What do they do in practice session? No ball can be avoided.
Correct.
Not me, but great players are also saying that. How can you throw a no ball in limited overs? And these no balls are proved very costlier in all kind of matches. Extra ball and free hit.
Yes.
So NGD got right punishment. If you ball no ball, such kind of punishment is but natural in limited over match when there is a question of last over.
Very true words. With this, we have seen that Rajasthan Royals simply made 216 runs, and Angry plus Chawla proven too costly over 50 runs in just 4 overs and only take 1 wicket. Okay, so with this, I would like to come to the bowling attack of Chennai Super King. Sam Curran proven his self today again. 3 wickets, 33 runs only.
You see, when there is a comparison between two brothers, Sam Curran,
And Tom Curran,
Tom Curran.
right?
Sam Curran is far better than Tom Curran.
Yeah.
So Rajasthan Royal would have to think seriously about Tom Curran. They cannot think to have gamble when important matches would come. And Jack, one more thing.
Right.
Piyush Chawla would dream to forget these 2 overs in this second match. He was beaten ruthlessly by Sanju Samson. And same treatment was given to Jadeja also. They could not find proper length to deliver.
Yes.
And that's why they got punishment.
Okay, with this, I think we should come to the batting attack of Chennai Super King. First 6 over, 53 runs without loss. Quite good from my side. What do you think?
No, it was not that much good.
Really?
Really.
Okay.
Because when there were 217 runs on the board, I have already said in my one of the video that विजय को टीम में रखना मतलब
Okay.
टीम को विजय से दूर रखना.
I remember that.
हाँ, और ये भी कहा था he is a setting sun. When this big target that Chennai Super King has to
Come over.
come over or to chase, then how could an opener play a game with 100% strike rate? Right? And you see, because of Murli Vijay, whole pressure went up to Watson. Watson was playing well.
Right.
He was in good nick. He was connecting the ball very well. He was lifting the ball out of the boundary. But because of poor run rate from Murli Vijay, all pressure went up and he played
Wrong shot.
wrong
Right,
shot.
Right.
He played wrong shot, and that's why he lost his wicket.
Right.
So when there is in first power play, both opener have to understand each other. What is the requirement of the game? Suppose there is a big total, they have to chase. Then this 6 over should we must get at least 80 runs. So match can be controlled. Do not think we will lose the wicket. You see, if you will not play in the power play, then whole pressure will come to last 6 overs.
Right.
So that is the way
Yeah.
Chennai Super King could not manage these many runs.
After 6 overs, Tewatia came into the attack and he got 3 wickets. And I think from that moment, pressure come to the Chennai Super King. What do you think about that?
You see, it was a good piece of keeping
Yeah.
and good piece of bowling.
Hmm.
Tewatia got lesson from the treatment given to Chennai spinners. Okay, they found out what would be the exact length to ball, and that's why they got wickets.
Right.
And over by over, run rate was increasing,
Increasing.
and in that pressure, wickets were falling.
Right.
And as a result, Chennai Super King could not chase that target and fall short about
15
14
runs. Apart from that, I would like to come to Francisco Duplessis. He played very good 72 runs, again proven himself in second match too. But I think I would love to respect Dhoni, but Dhoni should play those 3 sixes earlier. I think Dhoni start hitting six a little bit late. What do you think about that?
First of all, Du Plessis was once again proved to be match winner.
Right.
And Dhoni had a plan that from one end, Du Plessis will go after the bowlers and he will give him maximum strike.
Okay, that can be the
That was
possibility.
his plan.
Right, right.
When he got out, Dhoni was there, but last over was not like the over of
Rajasthan Royals, like in Jofra Archer.
that bowler did not throw 2 no balls,
Right.
and the result went in favor of Rajasthan Royals. So it was a tremendous victory. It was a victory in Royal style.
Okay, guys, so this is all about today's match. Stay tuned with Straight Draw and keep supporting the Straight Draw Center.